So now we're on the first ever B&M Hyper. In the very back row, Raging Bull had a great drop in the back, so I'm looking forward to this. The scenery of this ride is just stellar as well, just from POVs. These old Hypers, you can tell like the lifts just are not as steep at all as the new ones. There we got Pantheon right there. Rest in peace. All right. First drop in the back should be absolutely phenomenal. Here we go. Whoa. All right, all right, all right. Nice and rattly. To be expected. All right. Not sure about the deep trims. Not like, oh, okay. What is this? Hey! Alright, that's Apollo Chariot. First ever B&M Hyper. Not that smooth, to be brutally honest. Can you catch me now?